Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming essentials: device, OS, and a stable internet connection. Once done, open accounts. Google com/recovery on your phone or computer and enter the email address you reset. Make sure you have your recovery phone, email, or backup codes nearby. These speed verification. If you remember an old password, type it. That proves ownership. This first pass proves control, so stay patient and enter details carefully. Mistyping delays the next verification steps. Now focus on verification. Choose the method you can access: SMS code, recovery email link, or authenticator app. If you have a trusted device, use it. Google favors familiar locations and devices, which increases success odds. Enter any dates or old passwords you recall. Even approximate account creation month helps. If prompted to approve sign-in on another device, accept it quickly. Keep an eye on codes and links. They often expire in minutes, so act without delay to proceed. Once verified, create a strong new password and immediately review two-step verification settings so you don't lose access again. Re-add or confirm your recovery phone and email. Generate and store backup codes offline, like in a password manager or printed safe copy. If Google denies access, complete the detailed account recovery form with as much info as possible and wait. Responses can take 24 to 72 hours. If things still fail, try from a previously used device and location.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.